Alicia. I'm the blogger over at Taylor Life. Be sure to check me out on our blog. I'll put my link down below. So if you know anything about our household, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that we have 5 cats. We're like really big cat lovers. And I have one right here. He wants to say hi. 1 second. This is Ollie. Can you say hi, Ollie? So we found him in a garbage pail. We call him our garbage pail kid. So if you know anything about cats and you have them, they just like leave hair everywhere. And it's the same with any dogs, or if you just live in a linty house, you get lint, hair, that kind of stuff everywhere. For example, look at this blanket. I mean, there's just like lint all over it. It's hair, cat hair, because they insist on curling up in bed with me. So I was sent these. They're called fur zappers, and it's kind of an interesting thing. It comes in a 2-pack. You throw one in your laundry with your wash, and then when you throw your laundry into the dryer, you transfer it into there, and it's supposed to remove all the hair and things like that, because no matter how much I wash this, I can't get the hair out. And this is supposed to help with that. So let's give it a try, okay? So I'm just going to load this into my washing machine. Cute. It's got a little paw print. So, and it feels kind of squishy, and it's kind of sticky. So anyway, I'm just going to throw that in there into my regular wash, and I kind of put it under the blanket. So we'll wash it, and then I'll throw it into the dryer, and then I'll come back after it's done, and we'll see how this works out. Okay, so the dryer's done. So let's see how our little fur zappers did with getting the lint and all of the fur off of the blanket. Wow, look at there. I don't see hardly any lint and fur. I see a little bit of lint here and there, but it's so much better than it normally is. I'm impressed with that. Look at there. Major difference. So let's see what our little fur zappers look like. Let me fish that out of the dryer. Okay. Oh wow, look. You see how, can you see the fuzzy all over in here? I don't know if you can see it, but I mean that thing is just absolutely fuzzy looking. And this is the other one that was in there. And it's got fuzz all over here, if you can see that. So that's pretty cool. So it got out a lot more lint than just washing and drying. Now, to keep these sticky, all I have to do is hand wash them, just rewash them, and throw them back in my dryer, and they're ready for the next load. That's one of the easiest ways I've seen to get lint off my clothes and pet fur. Color me impressed. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.